Hello, and welcome back to another episode of Kerbal Space Program. If you remember last time, we were not here. We need to go to this one, the Research Center. We bought these two after attempting to go into orbit and landing in the middle of the ocean. So we unlocked the aerodynamic nose cone, a AVT-1 winglet, radial decouplers, and a LV-909 liquid fuel engine, a LT-1 landing struts, and an Make-2-R radial mount parachute. So, today, we will try and go into space. Because we failed a couple times. But if at first you do not succeed, try again. And eventually you will. Or at least you'll get lucky one of these times. So let's go in here and start constructing a spaceship that will get us into the actually last time the spaceship probably would have gone into there, but into space had we not accidentally hit spacebar instead of X and disconnected our fuel. But that's that was a little unfortunate, but there's not a whole lot we can do about that. So let's put one of those on, and then we'll put a liquid fuel engine. Oh, we need a structural stack decoupler, and we need a utility. We'll get a oh gosh parachute right there, and let's add one, put the parachute up there, actually the decoupler there. Then we will put on another structural decoupler, and now we will go back to propulsion and put on a bunch of fuel tanks, like, actually let's put that there, and then we'll put a fuel engine there, and then we will put a decoupler, and then that. So, and then we'll put another fuel tank and another engine, and then we can put on some radial decouplers. We'll put 4 of those on, right like that. And then we can put some solid fuel boosters on there. And that should work like that. So yeah, I like that. That should get us into orbit. If it doesn't, then oh well, we'll just get science points. Oh, we need some science stuff to get science points with, so let's put on some liquid goo containers right there, so that way we can earn some science points. We'll take Jebediah, and let's just make sure that's all that we want. Oh, let's put some winglets on, so that way we can control it better. Put 4 of those on, like that. And then that'll just help us control it until we get out of the atmosphere. So we'll make this the Corbiter Mark II, the second attempt. Oh, excuse me. At going into orbit. So then we'll save that. Actually, let's make sure we have this all organized right. First, these, and let's put this down here too. So this and those fire, then those break off. Then that decouples. Then that engine fires. Then that decouples. Then that engine fires. And then that decouples, and then the parachute. Okay, cool beans. So then let's go launch. Okay, so we are now ready to go. It's kind of wobbling a little bit as it's only balancing on that, but that's okay. Let's turn the throttle all the way up, and we will launch in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have liftoff. Okie dokie then. Looks like it's going well. It's listing a little to the right, but that's okay. It's not too bad. I think we'll survive. And we're running out of fuel on the solid rockets, so we'll have to ditch those now. And now we are listing the other way. And we're at about half fuel. So let's go ahead and turn and point this way. Little more. There we go. We're at a 45-degree angle now. We might make it. We're at 16,000. We're about to drop off the main thrusters there. Let's take a goo sample while we're here. Goo seems to be getting very cold now. Ignite the next engine. Let's take a look at our map. Let's put in a maneuver here and pull her into outer space. Holy cow, that's a much bigger than what I wanted. Oh gosh, we gotta aim down now in order to put ourselves in the orbit. Oh gosh, a little more. So we are currently at 49,000 feet. And almost hit spacebar. That would not have been good. Oh. Kind of X. Oh, cool! We've got an orbit, and So, now we'll observe the mystery goo when we get to the other side of the planet, over here, when we're a long ways away. So, let's go M, and let's get a crew report. It seems we are very much in space right now. The sky seems to be mostly below us, so we'll keep that data. Let's speed up time a little. Look at that. We did it! Now we just have to have enough to be able to get back down. Once. So we have to be able to slow our orbit down. So we might go around twice. Oopsies. Just to prove that we're in orbit. And then the second time around we'll go around once, come back, and then we'll get over here again, and then we'll slow down so that way it puts our thing back into the ground, so that way we don't overshoot. Because we don't have a whole lot of fuel left over, and we do need to get to the ground eventually. Otherwise we'll be lost in space for eternity. Or at least until someone comes to rescue us. We could actually turn that off. Cool beans. Look at that. Oops, wrong button again. Can't go any faster than 4 times speed right now, because we are too close to the... What does this T plus mean? There's the moon, or mun. Should we do a spacewalk? Let's slow this guy down. I'm kind of iffy about this. Let's get an EVA report. You've recorded your observations about the situation. That's 8 science. Keep the data. And now let's get back in, because I'm a little iffy about that. So, we still have a ways to go. Oh, now we can go faster though. So when we get to right here, we're gonna slow down. And now let's click M again. And now let's observe some more mystery goo. The goo feels right at home here. That's 10 science. Keep the data. Cool beans. So now, we okay. So let's speed up time again. So now we're close again. This is at 57,000. We'll be there in 1 minute 23 seconds. And it's dropping a little. Right now we're at 64,000. If that gets below 30,000, then we will re-enter the Earth's atmosphere. And we'll lose our orbit. So, let's speed up a little. This is falling right now as we slow down. Where's the Space Center? So now this time when we get on the far side, we are going to reverse thrust and slow ourselves down so that way we don't that way we can come back down right in here, hopefully. That's the plan. So let's add a maneuver and slow it down a little. And then let's go this way. No. This way. We could land at the North Pole or South Pole. But that seems like it'd be cold. What if, so let's slow it down. Maybe let's land at the South Pole. That requires a 10-second burn. That's not too bad. We should have enough fuel for that. So let's go ahead and put our nose right on. Whoa. It's upside down. There we go. So now let's speed up again. We have to do that in 15 minutes. Oh, we can't speed up anymore because we're still too close to the Earth's atmosphere. "11 minutes until we burn. This is right now at 553. This is at 57. What is that? Ike. What is Ike? 2 million meters. And it's going away. There's Minimus. Oh wow. Holy cow. So we have Maho, Eve, Kerbin, Duna, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Jewel, and oh, I don't know. What is Minimus? Is that another moon? Oh, I guess it's another moon. Earth has 2 moons, apparently. Well, actually, this is Kerbin. So, okie dokie then. 30 seconds. So now, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Uh-oh, we might not have enough. Oh no. See if it did it. Oh, it did. Awesome. Oh, thank goodness. That, because we just ran out of fuel. So, we can eject that, I guess. And, oh, gotta throttle down. Now we can throttle up. Looks like we're headed just straight for the South Pole. Okay. Let's go back here. So now, let's aim here. Oh, there it is. Keep this on there. Holy cow. Okay. We're coming in. 50,000. 40,000. Yeah. We're re-entering. It's getting real warm in here. Let's deploy the parachutes. And hopefully they'll hold us. One 12, 11. Oh geez, we're getting kind of close to the ground. 3, 2, come on, deploy, deploy. Ah, thank goodness. That scared me there for a second. Oof, I just hit my microphone. Sorry if you heard that. That's a big relief. Okay, let's speed up a little. Okay, we're approaching the ground. 100 meters. Slow her back down. And poof! We did it! We did it! Let's go for a moonwalk. Let's take a surface sample. This really is solid ground, is it? You got a sample, but feared to dig any deeper because the startling crackling sounds the ice made. You try not to think back on how you landed there. And that's for 9 science. We'll keep that data. Take an EVA report. I don't think the spacesuit was entirely necessary to get here, was it? No, it probably wasn't. Oh, and we gotta plant a flag. We'll plant a flag. And this will be first orbit landing. Landing after the first orbit. Landing point. Whoopsies, holy cow. Point. Gosh. Point. I can't type today. After the first orbit. Okie dokie then. We should probably get a picture with this. Sun's coming from this way. Okay, I guess we'll have to... Also the flag is kind of facing the wrong way. Face the camera, Jebediah. Okay, how do I take a picture? I don't know, I'm just gonna use Bandicam to take a picture. There we go. Now let's hop back in here. F to grab, and F to board. Should we take a crew report? No. Okay then. So now let's go back to the Space Center. Oh, it's nighttime here. How lovely. And we'll go here. And we'll recover the Kerbal Mark II. Are you sure you want to recover this vessel? Yes, please. And that gave us 51.4 science. Holy smokes. So now we have 51 science. So we'll click done there. Then let's go back to here, and we will unlock some new stuff at the research center. So now we have 51 science. This costs 45. This is 45, and this is 45. This gives us battery pack, science junior, and a comms, fully deployable communications and data transmitting system. It is a design of minimal form factor when stowed. Oh, I think this is like a satellite dish type thing. This one gives us a winglet, cockpit, Stay Putnik Mark 1, and an inline reaction wheel, medium-sized wheel, weighted wheels that spin very quickly to add assistive torque to spacecraft at the cost of electric charge. And this one gives us a strut connector, launch enhancer, radial decouplers, and a tri-stack coupler. And this one gives us liquid fuel engine, a Sepratron, and a solid fuel booster. I kind of want to get this one. Well, yeah, because we do need some more rocketry to help us get into deeper parts of space. Because we've just barely had enough for that last one. So I'm going to get this one for 20 science. And then we don't have enough quite yet for anything else. But, so we should have enough next time. And that, now we have the option to unlock a radial mount, liquid engine, and a fuel tank that holds 360 liters, I'm guessing, of fuel. And actually, even to unlock this, we need the general rocketry too. So that's going to be it for this episode. Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this. So yeah, see you next time. Have a good day.